In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Hubspot. This integration can be a real game changer for your e-commerce business by combining the power of Shopify's online store capabilities with HubSpot's comprehensive customer relationship management tools. Let's dive into the process and get your Shopify store connected with HubSpot seamlessly. To start, you'll want to head over to the Shopify App Store. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Shopify, or you can simply search Shopify App Store in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you're going to use the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the page. Type the word HubSpot and press Enter. What you're doing here is looking for the official HubSpot app designed specifically for Shopify, allowing the two platforms to communicate and work together efficiently. You'll see a list of results popping up, but make sure you click on the app that is directly developed by HubSpot itself. This is important because you're looking for that official integration to ensure compatibility and reliability. Once you're confident you've found the right app, click on the Add App button. This is typically positioned prominently on the app's page to make this process as user-friendly as possible. Now, with the app getting added, you'll notice that Shopify will guide you through a series of prompts. These are designed to assist you in installing the app onto your Shopify store. Typically, these prompts will ask you to confirm certain permissions and access levels that the app requires to function correctly. It's essential to carefully read through these permissions so you understand what kind of data will be shared between Shopify and HubSpot. As you click through these prompts, there might be occasional requests for additional information from your store, such as access to contacts, products, and transaction data. This ensures that HubSpot can provide you with in-depth insights about your customers and sales performance. Once you agree and provide any requested permissions, the app will complete the installation process, and you should receive a confirmation message letting you know that the integration was successful. This connection is incredibly powerful because it allows you to harness HubSpot's analytics and marketing capabilities right alongside your Shopify storefront. You can track customer interactions more effectively, automate marketing follow-ups, and even better understand the performance of your products. It keeps all your customer data organized and in one place, making your life easier and helping you run a more efficient and customer-friendly business. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to integrate Shopify with HubSpot. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to leverage the strengths of both platforms to enhance your business operations. Remember, technology is a tool to make your work smarter, not harder. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.